guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I use my bold hold lace glue. I told you in my last video that I used the bold hold while I was in Jamaica and I love it. I don't think I mastered how to get the best use from it, but so far so good. It's been holding and I just want to show you what I do. I've run across some mistakes that I've done that I learned online where they're saying, oh, I could use the Nairobi just like right after I put on the lace wig, because you know it says wait 24 hours before put any sort of liquid, water or anything on it. So I've seen a couple people use Nairobi and I don't remember two other things, foam lotion where they used to make the baby hair right after they put on the wig, but sis, that didn't work for me. Like my wig started lifting up immediately when I put the Nairobi foam lotion. So I would recommend you guys don't do that. Like, don't do it. Listen to me, don't do it. I had to put a little bit more glue, then use the blow dryer to blow it and like kind of press it into my skin for it to be old. So right now it's secure. This hair is from Wiggins hair company. They sent me 3 bundles, 2 bundles of 21, 18 and a 16-inch frontal, and I am loving this hair. Look at this. Look at the movement. Like, look at the movement. It is moving. Like, jeez, I think this is one of my favorite hair right now. I haven't seen myself in straight black, not so long hair in a while, and I did the flat iron curls and then I comb it out. So this is how I got this look. If you guys want me to show you do a video on how I curl the hair, then I'll sure do it. So yeah, let's just roll into the video because I don't really have anything else to say. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Pop-up will come right now. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button as well. And take care, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.
I had to change my ways. Got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me.
This is gonna help to remove any oil or, you know, makeup or whatever on your skin. I'm gonna let that dry on my sewing machine. I also added elastic band to the wig as well. This can be wear glueless, but I decided not to. I decided to just, you know, put on it with my bold hold. Okay, so I'm gonna mark where my wig ends, so I can know where to put my glue.
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work.
Now let's fit. I'm going to pull it back. I'm gonna clip away all this hair so it don't bother me while I'm putting on the wig. So now I'm going in with my bold hold active glue, and I'm gonna put a little bit on this. Anything I've laying around that I'm not using, I'm just gonna put a little bit on it. But that's not really a little bit. Then I'm gonna use my popsicle stick, and I have to get close, and then I'm gonna start from right here. The wig cap kinda pull back on my hair, if you guys can tell. Normally this doesn't touch my edges whatsoever, but I don't know what's going on today. So I'm waiting until this turns like literally clear. Like, you see how clear this is? Then I'm gonna go in with another. I'm only gonna use two layers because I don't really mind if it doesn't last for a week or two. Now that's clear, I'm gonna go in with another layer. Well, I can give it a little bit more time. Let me just put some over this side.
Exterior like fish eggs, interior like suicide wrist red. I can exercise you. This could be.
I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna put on. Okay, so it's clear enough, I guess. I think so. Only this part alone not as clear, but everything else is pretty much dry. So I'm gonna put it on my hair. Well, put my wig on it. I have so much baby hairs. I never put back my baby hairs, but whatever. Let's do this.
Pigs try to get at you. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm all the best cause I got it going on. I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the crib side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play.
I'm gonna go with my blow dry on the
double G. I can't fake it, just break it. And when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside.
If I miss any spot, now is the time I'm gonna go in and kind of put some of the glue. So let me see right here.
Shizzle, G's to the visit. Now ladies, here we guess her. When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm all the best cause I got it going on.
So nice. This is so nice. I'm gonna do my baby hairs. So I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi. Nairobi is alcohol free. I have it in my olive oil foaming lotion because I have a big bottle of Nairobi and I didn't have a pump, so whenever this is finished I just put it in there. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Nairobi.